Present continuous tense. Questions and answers. What are you doing right now?
I am reading a book about history.
Are you cooking dinner?
No, I am just making some tea.
Is your mother watching TV?
Yes, she is watching her favorite drama.
Are you working on your project?
Yes, I am writing the final report.
Is your brother playing outside?
No, he is doing his homework.
Are you listening to music?
Yes, I am listening to my favorite playlist.
Is your father reading a newspaper?
No, he is talking on the phone.
Are you cleaning your room?
Yes, I am organizing my clothes right now.
Are you making a video for YouTube?
Yes, I am recording a short lesson.
Is your friend calling you?
No, she is texting me instead.
Are you studying for your exam?
Yes, I am preparing for my English test.
Is your teacher explaining the lesson?
Yes, she is teaching us about grammar rules.
Are the students taking a test?
No, they are doing a class activity.
Are you writing an email to your boss?
Yes, I am sending an important report.
Are your colleagues working on a new project?
Yes, they are developing a new marketing strategy.
Is the manager talking to a client?
Yes, he is discussing a new deal.
Are you attending an online class?
No, I am watching a recorded lecture.
Is your friend learning a new language?
Yes, she is practicing French these days.
Are you looking for a new job?
No, I am happy with my current job.
Is your team working late today?
Yes, we are finishing an important project.
Are you reading any books these days?
Yes, I am reading a mystery novel.
Are you watching a TV series?
Yes, I am watching a crime thriller on Netflix.
Are your friends playing football now?
No, they are practicing basketball.
Is your sister learning to dance?
Yes, she is taking dance lessons.